What's up, everyone? We're the JustTwoBrosIn. And the other day, we were watching some Mark Rober on YouTube.
And he mentioned Kiwi Crate.
So our parents went on KiwiCrate.com and ordered us a box.
And 3 days later,
ta-da! This one is a spin art machine. Well, it says
make your own spin art machine.
You know what's so cool? The people who make Kiwi Crate send the package to Parker and Preston.
That's us! So, let's open this baby up. Good. Starting off with some rippy paper.
We know this.
Ooh.
Here's
batteries.
Batteries.
Battery.
Cool.
Everything needs batteries. Obviously, if it's not electricity. Nice. Spinning art machine. Yeah, these are the electronics that create the spinning art machine. Like the motor and the battery, the thing that spins the art machine.
Oh, cool. We use the box for something. What is it?
Let's take this to somewhere else.
Step 8. Prepare the box. Press hard on the sticker to seal the crate and prevent leaks. Okay, so step 2. Turn the crate back over and open it. Place the paper guide inside so it's centered on the bottom of the crate. Find the 4 arc shapes etched into the wood disc and the matching red sticky foam arcs. Line up with the sticky foam with the etched shapes and stick them down. Step 7. Flip the disc over and find the edge circle in the middle of the disc. Find the gear and turn it around so the bump is facing up. Use a white sticky foam circle to stick the gear down on the etched circle. Step 8. Flip the wood disc back over. Push the gear down into the shaft of the motors. Fold and crease the tabs on the paint guard. Peel the backing of the adhesive tab, then stick the tab to the lid of the crate so it lines up with the crease.
B. Hook up the electronic. Trim off the ends of the 3 resistors. Then fold the wires down at the right angles. I don't know what a resistor is. Maybe it's this.
Let me see that. Step 2. Stick the first resistor into the breadboard so the wires go into line 1 and line 3.
Give me so I can put it on.
Kristen, I need the battery pack.
I open it, you put it in. But just how do you open it?
That's
quite pleasant.
Here. I'll peel off, you do it. You put them on. I peel off the things, you put them on. Is that the third one? Yeah, that's the third one.
And then this one goes
This
here?
one, the bottom of line 1. So it goes here. The bottom of line 1.
Ah, it's ready! It's ready!
Okay, it's off. Stop! Okay, thank you.
Oh, we have to color it.
Wait, there's a warning. Although your paint will wash out of most surfaces, it can still be messy. Wear an apron or clothes you don't get mine dirty, and put down a mess mat to protect your work surface. Oh, aprons. We have aprons.
We have aprons.
Go.
I think that's good. I think that's good, Parker.
You have to wait till it comes to a complete stop.
Oh, just 2 more drops.
That looks pretty.
Thanks.
Oh, look, it looks pretty inside. It looks really pretty on the side. Look how pretty it looks. First one was yellow, orange,
And Parker, next round, I think I'm gonna use all the colors. And I'm gonna use all of the colors this time.
and this time. Next.
Turn it on for me. Pour them when I tell you. Okay? Pour orange. Yellow. Yellow. Orange.
Wow, person, that looks awesome.
Thanks, bro. Oh. Thank God. I'm like, is it supposed to make that sound? Can we play with this for fun for some?
I don't know.
This is a major design. And the cool thing about it is this can create this. This is what I created. Like colorful designs.
So what I created. This was my third creation.
This was my third creation and just already dry. This is my second creation.
This was my first
And this
creation,
is my...
which he messed up. Like he touched it and it like got messed up a little.
And the funny thing is, this was my third creation and it's dry. This was my first creation and it's not dry. And this was my second, which I thought that I think it's really cool. So like, I call this one the eyeball. And like, the person's eyeball is so cool that there's like rainbow lines around it. And I call my first creation the earth.
I call my first and second creations the sun. And this one I call colorful portal. Because you see in here, this is where you go and it's very colorful outside on it. So that's why I call it the colorful portal.
Guys, we had a lot of fun doing this.
Thank you, Mark Rover, for mentioning the Kiwi crate.
You should watch Mark Rober on YouTube so you can meet all the people he knows and you can learn a lot about science and stuff. And you can get your own.
And we can't wait for our next Kiwi crate.
And we'll see you on our next adventure!